County, Columbiana, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Jefferson County and east central Ohio, southwestern Columbiana County and east central Ohio, northeastern Carroll County and east central Ohio, until 7 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Minerva, or 8 miles northeast of Carrollton, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Radar. Damage to expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Augusta, Salineville, Birdknolls, Irondale, Summitville, Mechanicstown. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-19